Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Aanchal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So students, in our previous session, we were discussing exercise 8.2 and we have already done the revision up to sum number 4 from the exercise 8.2. Okay, so in our today's session we will start with the next sum, that is sum number 5. Okay, so I am going to start with sum number 5. Chaliye, so in the sum number 5, as you know, the topic is from chapter number, so okay, let me just write down the topic first, that is chapter number 8 and that is exercise 8.2. Okay, this is what we will start in today's session. Okay, so the sum number 5, we will start with sum number 5. This is, if 1 kg apples cost rupees 50, how much will half kg cost? Okay, so if 1 kg apple cost, अगर 1 kg मतलब 1 किलो एप्पल की कॉस्ट कितनी है रुपीज़ 50. हाउ मच विल हाफ के जी कॉस्ट, तो हाफ के जी की कॉस्ट कितनी होगी, दैट इज 1/2 kg. ओके, सो नाउ अगेन इन दिस वी हैव टू फाइंड द आंसर्स इन द फ्रैक्शन. ओके, द फ्रैक्शन ऑफ द apples is given and we have to find the cost of that part or that fraction of total apples. Okay, so the cost of 1 kg apple is equal to rupees 50. Okay, first of all we will write the statement as we usually do. तो जो चीज़ें हमें ऑलरेडी दी होती है बेटा, so first thing जो हम वही करते हैं, that is cost of apple is given. Okay, that cost of 1 kg apple, so that is given already. Cost of 1 kg apple is equal to rupees 50, is equal to rupees 50. So this is the cost of 1 kg apple and we have to find cost of half, you can say, or 1/2 kg apples. The apples. So cost of 1 kg apples is rupees 50 and we have to find the cost of 1/2 kg of apples. So that will be, what will be, that is, अगर cost 1 kg की 50 है तो half kg की कितनी होगी, so that means the cost of half kg will also be the half of the total amount, that is half of rupees 50. Therefore, the cost of half kg apple is half of rupees 50. That is equal to half 1/2 of, will change it to sign of multiplication. Rupees 50 will become 50. 1/2 multiplied by 50. Clear? Now let's multiply 1 with 50. 1 multiplied by 50 will be 50, because we always multiply the numerator with the number. So 1 multiplied by 50 is 50. 2 will be its denominator, that is 50/2. Okay, so if a number is written in fraction, so that means the fraction का मतलब होता है the upper number, that is the numerator, is divided by denominator. So let's divide numerator with its denominator, that is 50 divided by 2. So we have to divide 50 with 2. So 50 divided by 2, 2 2s are 4. Okay, 5 minus 4, that is 1. Now let's bring down another digit, that is 0, and it became 10. So let's divide 10 with 2. So 2 5s are 10. Minus 10 minus 10, nothing will be left. So the answer we got, that is 25. ये किधर 25 नहीं होगा, that will be rupees. We will surely mention the this we will surely mention this rupee sign here, that is rupees 25. Okay, at last write the solution sentence. Therefore cost of 1/2 kg apples is rupees 25. Therefore cost of 1/2 kg apples is rupees 25. Okay, so the cost of 1 kg apple was given. Cost of half kg apple we have to find out. So that we have calculated by finding the half of rupees 50, and that is rupees 25. Clear? So this is the solution of question number 5. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebook. Clear? Moving next to the sum number 6. Let's move to sum number 6 of the same exercise. So the sum number 6 is, if 1 liter milk costs rupees 20, how much will 1/4 liter cost? Okay, so here they have given the cost of 1 liter of milk. तो 1 लीटर 1 लीटर मिल्क की कॉस्ट दी हुई है, दैट इज ₹20. हाउ मच विल 1/4 लीटर कॉस्ट? एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द कॉस्ट ऑफ 1/4, दैट इज 1/4 liter of milk. So the two things that is given, the cost of the first is the cost of 1 liter milk is ₹20, and we have to find out the cost of 1/4 liter. Clear? So this is what we have to do. So let's write it here. Question number 6. So first of all देखिए बेटे हम क्या करते हैं. ओके, सबसे पहले हम जो चीज़ हमारी ऑलरेडी लिखी होती है पहले हम वो लिखते हैं. ओके, कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 liter milk, cost of 1 liter milk, that is already given. So the cost of 1 liter milk is ₹20. The cost of 1 liter milk is ₹20, and we have to find the cost of 1/4 liter. Okay, then we have to find cost of 1/4 liter milk. This much we have to find. 1 liter is ₹20, that is written, and we have to find the cost of 1/4 liter. Clear? So for that, what will we do? We will find out 1/4 of ₹20. So that means we have to find out the 1/4 of ₹20. Okay, so that is 1/4, that is the same. Off will change into sign of multiplication. 20 rupees, that is here. So 1/4 multiply by 20. 1 multiply by 20 is 20. Denominator is 4. That is 20/4. That is 20/4. Now next we have to divide this 20 with 4. अब हमें इस 20 को किससे डिवाइड करना है? 4 से. That is 20. And this calculation you are going to show in your notebooks. 20 divided by 4. Let's divide 20 with 4. So 4 5s are 20. 20 minus 20, nothing is left. So the answer you got, that is ₹5. That is not 5. That is ₹5 is equal to ₹5. Okay. So the cost of 1 liter milk was given, that is ₹20, and it is said that we have to find the cost of 1/4 liter of milk. So the cost of 1/4 liter of milk is 1/4 of ₹20. That is 1/4 of 20. That is 1/4 multiplied by 20. 20 multiplied by 1, that is 20 upon 4, that is rupees 5, that we have got after doing the division. So at last, the solution sentence, we will write therefore the cost of 1/4 liter of milk is rupees 5. Okay, therefore cost of 1/4 liter of milk, therefore cost of 1/4 liter of milk is rupees 5. This is the cost of 1/4 liter of milk. Okay, so this is the solution from exercise 8.2. From question number 6, you can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks very clearly and in a good handwriting as well. Clear? Chaliye, moving next to the question number 7. Question number 7 is, that is the next question. If 1 kg potatoes cost rupees 18, if 1 kg potatoes means aloo. If 1 kg potatoes cost rupees 18, how much will 1/3 kg cost? तो कहते हैं कि अगर 1 kg, 1 kg पोटैटो की कॉस्ट है ₹18 रुपये, तो उसका अगर इफ़ यू वॉट सपोज यू गो टू द मार्केट एंड यू हैव जस्ट वॉट 1/3 ऑफ दैट पोटैटो, सो हाउ मच मनी is going as that shopkeeper is going to be charged from you. Okay, तो shopkeeper आपसे कितने पैसे चार्ज करेगा for 1/3 kg of potatoes, and the cost of 1 kg potato is rupees 18. So here in this question the cost of 1 kg potato is given, that is rupees 18, and we have to find the cost of 1/3 kg of potatoes. तो लिखिए question number 7. Okay. Cost of 1 kg potatoes. Cost of 1 kg potatoes. The cost of 1 kg potatoes is rupees 18. Cost of 1 kg potatoes is rupees 18. And we have to find the cost of 1/3 kg of potatoes. भाई निकालने किसकी है 1/3. Cost of 1/3 kg potatoes. This one we have to find by ourselves. Okay, so 1 kg is given and the cost of 1/8 kg, sorry 1/3 kg we have to find out. Okay, so for that we will find 1/3 of rupees 18. 1/3 of rupees 18. Okay, so as it is 1/3. Okay, of will change into sign of multiplication. 18 will be same. Okay, so numerator will be multiplied by 18. 1 multiplied by 18 is 18 divided by 3. Okay, divided by 3. So let's divide 18 with 3. 18 divided by 3. So देखिए 3 के टेबल में 18 आता है. 3 6 18. 3 6 18 minus 18 minus 18, nothing will be left. So the answer you got, that is 6. That is rupees 6. So rupees 6 is the cost of 1/3 kg of potatoes. Okay, and at last we will write the solution sentence. Therefore, cost of 1/3 kg of potatoes, therefore cost of 1/3 kg of potatoes is rupees 6. Therefore cost of 1/3 kg of potatoes is rupees 6. Okay, so this is the solution of sum number 7. Okay, and you can pause it here and note down the solution of question number 7 in your notebooks. Okay, चलिए मूविंग नेक्स्ट टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. तो देखिए सारे क्वेश्चंस नियर अबाउट ऑल आर सेम, बट दो आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस ऑल ऑफ देम because this is just a revision part that we are doing, and I suggest before solving this sum in your notebooks, मतलब एक दो सम आप देख लें, यहाँ से देख लिया, अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आया तो आप यहाँ से देखिए. ओके, उसके बाद जो नेक्स्ट सम है, इन स्पाइट ऑफ सीइंग फ्रॉम द वीडियो, जस्ट पॉज द वीडियो देयर ओनली एंड ट्राई टू डू इट योरसेल्फ. ओके, जब आपका सम हो जाएगा उसके बाद यू कैन जस्ट अगेन रिज्यूम द वीडियो एंड सी कि जो आपने सॉल्यूशन किया है वेदर इट इज करेक्ट और नॉट. अगर तो सही है दैट इज वेरी गुड. सपोज कहीं गलती आती है तो यू कैन जस्ट क्रॉस चेक इट फ्रॉम द वीडियो कि आपकी गलती कहाँ पे है. क्लियर? चलिए मूविंग नेक्स्ट टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 इज इफ 1 kg carrots cost ₹16, हाउ मच विल 3/4 kg कॉस्ट. तो इन्होंने क्वेश्चन में क्या बताया है कि 1 kg कैरेट, 1 किलो कैरेट्स, दैट मीन्स गाजर. ओके, सो इफ द कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 kg कैरेट्स दैट इज गाजर इज इक्वल टू ₹16. ओके, सो हमें निकालनी है 3/4 kg कैरेट्स की कॉस्ट एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ 3/4 kg ऑफ कैरेट्स. ओके, so the cost of 1 kg is given and we have to find the cost of 3/4 kg. Okay, so we have to represent the cost of that is given in fraction. तो fraction जो उसकी kg में दी हुई है उसको हमें उसकी cost बतानी है in the number. चलिए, cost of 1 kg carrots. Cost of 1 kg carrots is equal to rupees, what is it? The cost of 1 kg carrots is equal to rupees 16. Cost of 1 kg carrots is equal to rupees 16. We have to find the cost of 3/4 kg carrots. We have to find the cost of 3/4 kg of carrots. Okay, so 3/4 kg जो carrots हैं, जो गाजर हैं, उनकी हमें cost निकालनी है. Okay, this much we have to find. Okay, so for finding the cost of 3/4 kg carrots, we will find 3/4 of rupees 16. 3/4 of rupees 16. Okay, that is 3/4 of will change into sign of multiplication. Rupees 16 will be same. Okay, 3/4 of rupees 16. हमें भी इसकी कॉस्ट निकालनी है. Okay, now let's find the cost of 3/4 kg of carrots. Okay, so 3 multiplied by 16. 16 3s are 48 and denominator will be same, that is 4. So that means we have to divide 48 with 4. So let's divide 48 with 4. Okay, 4 ones are 4 minus 4 minus 4, nothing will left. Now let's bring down 8. 4 twos are 8. 8 minus 8, nothing will be left. So the answer you got, that is 12. That is 12, and we will write it rupees. That is rupees 12. That is rupees 12. So let's write. Okay, so this is the cost of 3/4 kg of carrots. Write down. Therefore, cost of 3/4 kg of carrots. Therefore, cost of 3/4 kg of carrots is rupees 12. So this is the cost of 3/4 kg of carrots. Okay, so you can pause the video here and note it down in your notebooks very neatly. Okay class, chaliye moving next to the question number 9 from the same exercise. That is sum number 9. Okay, so now we will start with sum number 9 from the exercise 8.2. If 1 liter petrol costs rupees 24, what will 3/4 liter cost? Okay, so cost of 1 liter petrol is given and we have to find the cost of 3/4 liter of petrol. Okay, so now here we are having petrol. अब हम किसकी बात करें हैं? पेट्रोल की. तो 1 लीटर पेट्रोल की कॉस्ट उन्होंने बताई है, दैट इज ₹44. ओके, तो 44 रुपीज इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 लीटर ऑफ पेट्रोल एंड लेट्स फाइंड आउट द कॉस्ट ऑफ 3/4 liter of petrol. That is the 9th one. Cost of 1 liter petrol. Cost of 1 liter petrol is equal to rupees. Cost of 1 liter petrol is equal to rupees 44. Okay, so this is the cost of 1 liter of petrol and we have to find the cost of, किसकी निकालनी है हमें cost? We have to find the cost of 3/4 liter. 3/4 liter पेट्रोल. ओके, तो हमें 3/4 लीटर जो पेट्रोल है इसकी कॉस्ट निकालनी है. ओके, सो दिस मच वी हैव टू फाइंड. सो 1 liter is given, 3/4 की निकालनी है, so that means we have to find 3/4 of rupees 44. ओके, तो हमें 3/4 of rupees 44 निकालना है. ओके, so let's do the multiplication. 3/4 will be same, of will change into sign of multiplication. 44, that is same. Okay, so let's multiply 3 multiplied by 44. Okay, so let's multiply 3 with 44. So after multiplying 3 with 44, you will get, that is 132. Denominator will be same, that is 4. So 132 upon 4. Okay, this is what. Next, divide it with 4. So 132 divided with 4. 132 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. Okay, 3 minus 2, 1, 1 minus 1, nothing is left. Bring down 2, 2 को नीचे लेके आइए, that is 12. Clear? So again 4 threes are 12. 12 minus 12, nothing will be left. So the answer we got, that is 33, or you can say rupees 33. So what is this? Rupees 33 क्या है? So rupees 33 is the cost of 3/4 liter of petrol. So that's what we are going to write in the solution sentence. देखिए, therefore cost of 3/4 liter of petrol is rupees 33. Therefore cost of 3/4 liter of petrol is rupees 33. Cost of 1 liter petrol was given and we have to find the cost of 3/4 liter, that we have calculated by doing this all much. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 9 and you can pause it here and just try to do it. Okay, and it's better you just try it yourself and then you can check the answers while resuming the video. Okay, chalo, moving next to question number 10. Okay, next question is question number 10. So as we can see, the question number 10 is already divided into 4 parts. Okay, so let's begin with the first one. Here the question number 10 is find. Okay, the question number 10, the question number 10 divided into 4 parts. Okay, and we have to find what? We have to find 1/4 of 1 meter. 1/4 of 1 meter. हमें 1 मीटर का 1/4 फ्रैक्शन जो पता करनी है. So we have to find 1/4 of 1 मीटर. ओके, देखिए दिस इज 1 मीटर. तो मैंने आपको हमेशा बताया है जब 1 दिया हो तो जस्ट कन्वर्ट इट इनटू द इट्स लोअर यूनिट, दैट इज द लोअर यूनिट ऑफ मीटर इज सेंटीमीटर. So that means 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So now we have to find 1/4 of 100 centimeter. We have to find 1/4 of 100 centimeter. Clear? So 1/4, that is same. Of will change into sign of multiplication. 100 will be same. 1 multiplied by 100 is equal to 100. Denominator will be 4. So that is 100 upon 4. कितना आया? That is 100 upon 4. Let's just simply multiply 100 with 4. 100 with 4. 4 2s are 8. 10 minus 8, 2. Bring down 0. That will become 20. So 4 5s are 20. 20 minus 20, nothing will be left. So the answer is 25. This is 25 caliber, that is centimeter. That is centimeter. Okay, इसलिए आप अलग से लिखेंगे therefore 1/4 of 1 meter is equal to 25 centimeter. Is equal to 25 centimeter. So this is the solution of question number 10, the A part. Okay, you can just note it down, this A part of question number 10 in your notebooks. Chaliye, moving next to the B part of the same question. Okay, so in the B part, we have to find 1/2 of 1 liter. 1/2 of 1 liter. That is the B1. 1/2 of 1 liter. This much, this will. Okay, so we have to find 1/2, or you can say half of 1 liter. So first of all, as you can see this one again here. So we will convert it to the lower unit, that is milliliter. So 1 liter is equal to 100 milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 100 milliliter. So that means now we will find 1/2 of 100. Sorry, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. We will find 1/2 of 1000 ml. Okay. So 1/2 of will change into sign of multiplication. 1000 will remain same. Clear? So let's multiply 1000 with 1. We will get 1000. Denominator will be same, that is 2. Let's divide 1000 with 2. Okay, 2 5s are 10 minus nothing is here. ये दोनों तो 0 के अपना ले जाएंगे ऊपर, that is 2. Okay, so that is 500 milliliter. That is 500 milliliter लिखिए. Therefore 1/2 of 1 liter is equal to 500 ml. Okay, so this is the solution of B part of question number 10. Okay class, so this was our today's session class. So with this I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody have a good day.